Hello everyone, I'm Amber Wright, Business Operations Manager here at Eaton. Welcome to the Baltimore satellite facility, where we deliver standard and customized electrical assemblies, as well as local engineering expertise to meet our customers' specific needs. With 16 satellites located across the U.S., we're able to provide reduced lead times, custom solutions, and 24/7 disaster response you need to keep your projects on time and on budget. Right here in Baltimore, our team can work with the engineers to develop custom electrical solutions that will align to your customers' requirements, as well as your local utility specifications. One of our specialties is manufacturing termination boxes. For example, this specialty product meets NEC and UL 1773 standards for cable in, cable out applications when an overcurrent protective device is not appropriate. Think of us as a neighbor, one that understands your business and local market, responds quickly, and delivers to our commitments with clear and constant communication. Remember, with Eaton, you have an expert right in your backyard, providing the solutions you need to get the job done right. To learn more, visit eaton.com/satellites.